Hey, Phil here, Got Memories. Okay, so this particular tape gave me issues right at this point here. I just heard. I just heard it go, and that's why you've got to have no audio, like as in silence around here, no high tunes playing, because you've got to listen to all these players. They all give you warning signs. This one here wouldn't rewind past a certain point. Let's have a look here. Look at this. This tape has been mangled now, and what's happened is it's just stopped playing. It just stopped. So what I've got to do is basically, this is all the hidden gremlins that are within these tapes. Okay, so you've got to, if you do own a transfer company, and this is where any reputable company is building in a lot of redundant time for all these unknown issues, just from, abuse. I don't want to say abuse, but these things are not made of steel. Neither these are camcorders, and the kids get hold of them, or whatever happens. And then here we are 20 years later, 25 years later, and I'm unraveling literally, physically, all these issues and what's the word? I'm finding the problem out. I'm listening, I'm taking, because what's beyond here is more footage. But you've got to recover it, because it might be the only copy it is the only copy of Priceless Memories, but it could be like someone's loved one that's passed away or a magical moment. And you've got to take the time to go through these annoying tapes. And so what I have to do is, what you have to do with these situations, and this is where I'm going to wear my thing. Stand by. I'm going to clamp you around my neck here. Oh, whoopsie, stand by. I'm gonna pop this on so I can be hands-free. I don't edit my videos, as a lot of people on my channel already know. I just don't have time for that. But, right, so what you have to do, this bit here is knackered, all right? It's buggered, So what you have to do is get a screwdriver, push it down, and then, see, I don't know what's happened there. It's come delaminated, and I've got to pull this tape along. Oh, look, you can see where it's all just been mangled in a player, or something has happened. And then you've got to get a screwdriver or something, household products to wind this on. I am going to cheat because I've got these 3D printed things here. I'm going to just wind past this problem area, holding this in and down so it releases the clutch, so to speak, hopefully. There we go. And I can manually wind on past this segment here. I've got to do it at an angle. And then get to the clear part of the tape. I give it a few seconds more because the player does kind of rewind it a little bit. And then, boom, pop it in and watch this. Yep, there's the footage. Oh, great. And then you got this. This could be where the tape is also, and you had defective tapes as well. I'm going to fast forward through this. And it could be where the heads are dirty, because that little bit with all that gunk, on the tape that's... Oh, I don't even want to rewind it past that point, but it looks like a graduation. So the moment... see, look, it stopped right there. Because they call out the name of the graduate, and it's like... Johnny Smith, and everyone's like, yay! And if you don't capture that moment, what's the point in the whole tape? Because the rest of it is just boring. So I'm putting a cleaning tape in right now, which is going to just clean the gunk. It looks like that tape. I'm sure if I would have got my finger and thumb on that portion, you could have seen like just little black particles of the tape coming off. So I'm going to run this for a few seconds here more. And it's a good job I caught this. You never know what's lurking with these tapes, the problems, the chewed up portions, long forgotten, but here I am unraveling. Oh, you can hear it. That's the noise you're listening for. Okay, I've cleaned it up. And then the audio is going to go. You got to monitor this. June 3rd, 2004. So that's over 21 years ago. Per the time of making this. It's coming back. There we go. Yeah, so moral of the story is you need head cleaning tape. You need diligent eyes and ears, which you don't get with anyone in this industry. If you've got problem tapes, you either hand it over to the most qualified, highly rated, passionate, pride-filled, rant-filled YouTuber that you can find, or you do it yourself. You will do a much better job yourself, honestly, than 99% of transfer companies. Anyway, I gotta go. My dogs are about to eat a customer.